Today we're making a single serving of French toast. This French toast recipe is the best. We are going to show you how to make French toast with a few simple ingredients and a few easy steps. With buttery crisp edges and a soft center, this French toast will surely make your morning special. So let's get started. I'm going to start off by taking an egg, cracking it into a dish. Gonna mix this up. Then we're gonna add in a half a cup of milk, a quarter of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, an eighth of a teaspoon of sugar, and just a dash of cinnamon. And we'll mix this together well. So we're going to melt about a tablespoon of butter in a medium skillet over medium heat and let the butter melt. And while the butter's melting, take one of your pieces of bread and put it in the mixture we just made. Push it down a few times just to make sure the bread is fully absorbing all the liquid. And after the butter's melted, we'll take our bread and we're going to put one slice in the pan. And then we'll take our other slice of bread and dip it in the milk mixture also. Okay, after about a minute and a half, let's flip our pieces of bread over. After a minute, just lift up the edge a little bit and just peek and see if it looks done to you, and it does in this case. So go ahead and take them out of the pan. So you can put a little dusting of powdered sugar on the top if you like, or maybe even a little bit of syrup is great. Look at that, delicious breakfast for one. So you can find the full recipe in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow, like, and subscribe, and check out all the rest of our videos. Also check out onedishkitchen.com to find hundreds of single-serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.